Dear students, here we are again standing in front of a student workshop. Here we see about welding process, that is arc and gas welding process. First of all, we have to see safety guidelines of workshop. So let's see. These are the safety guidelines of using workshop, especially when handling welding machine. Then personal protective equipment must be used before using machine. Here you can keep your bags and other belongings. This is place where personal protective equipment is available. Glass, gloves, leather equipment apron, screen shield or face shield. Especially when we use welding process, then it must be used in front of face because it is very dangerous to see welding light by naked eye. Our object is to make or replace a car gear knob. This is simple drawing. Here part 1 of knob made by lathe machine. This is part 1 made by lathe machine. This is part 2 made by lathe, drilling and manual threading. This is manual threading, non-permanent joint. Now this is part 3 and must be permanent joint with the rest of part 2 and part 1. So this is permanent joint. What you saw in drawing, this is our gear knob part 1 made by lathe machine, and this is part 2, and inside this is non-permanent joint. We will do permanent joint by arc welding or gas welding by connecting part 1 and 2 with part 3. This is base as we learned and termed part 3. This is complete assembly. After welding it must like this. We will do welding around this chamfer area. Here we can see arc welding machine. This knob is showing welding current because we need different current for different workpiece material with different thickness. So according to that we can change welding current. This is power button. This is electrode holder. There we can see a small electrode. This is earth clamp. It must be clamped with workpiece so circuit of welding current could complete and arc will generate. We have already clamped our part 3 base of our knob inside benchwise. After that we will build part 2. Here part 1 and part 2 is separated to do weld. Now part 2 of knob is at part 3. Earth clamp is going to attach with workpiece. Now see, we can see that earth clamp is connected with conducting iron bench wise. Okay, this is earth clamp is clamped. Now we are changing electrode. Okay, we switched on the machine. We have set the current at 80 ampere. Okay, we are setting the current to 80 ampere. So here face shield or face screen, without it never look at the light of arc. Now we can see this is stitching of part 2 and part 3, because we just stitch like to it stand firmly. The purpose of stitching is to hold firmly different part according to drawing. So we can see it is stitch part 2 and part 3. This is wire brush to clean the surface. Okay, we do again stitching and welding. Temperature of whole part is very high, so never touch it without leather gloves. We are waiting for it cool down. We can see there is excess material and impurities. So we again the close look of slag, which is impurities or excess material called as slag. So we can see it. Now we will remove it with the help of chipping hammer. So this is chipping hammer. After removing excess material, we will check whether welding is finished or not. So we can see that after chipping hammer, then there is still some portion needs welding, so we are doing it again. Now we are doing again, removing the excess material or slag with the help of chipping hammer. So we can see few places still left. Also we can clean with wire brush, so we can closely see it, or still some portion is left, so we will do it again. So here precaution is never see the welding arc current arc with the naked eye, because it will be damage your eyes. So welding is finished. Okay, now we will remove it excess material, clean it. Still its temperature is very high, so never touch it without leather gloves. It is like a precaution, very strict precaution. So we have to check time to time that any leftover portion is there or not. So by using chipping hammer, We have to remove the material, excess material and slag to check whether excess material leftover portion is there or not. Now we are using again to check it. So now we will use wire brush to clean. Okay, again wire brush to clean the metallic impurities. Now we are joining knob part 1 using thread non-permanent joint. Now knob is complete now. Upper portion is non-permanent, lower portion is permanent joint. We used arc welding process. Is Nasrul sir, he is in charge of welding experiment. Now we are going to cool down of knob by using water. So we can see, oh, still it is very hot. So evaporation is take place. So this is our after cooling down by using water. So this is our completed welding job. So we can see from this is our welding. After using switch off the machine, gas welding explanation. Here we can see two cylinder, one in black color and another in maroon color. This black color is referred to oxygen cylinder and maroon color is referred to acetylene cylinder. And this is standard all over the world, means black color for oxygen and maroon for acetylene cylinder. Both cylinder comes with pressure regulator to control pressure inside torch.
This one oxygen.
Oxygen, yes.
Acetylene.
Acetylene.
One combine.
Combined in torch.
Torch.
Okay.
This one is torch for the cutting.
Oh.
Torch for welding.
Oh, this is for cutting.
Yeah. This for cutting.
This for welding.
Welding.
Oh. Here is acetylene.
Acetylene. It's like
Oxygen. Oh, it will come acetylene, oxygen from this and mix here.
Mix here
And oh.
this for the cutting.
This is the for cutting. Okay. So this is the pressure regulator to control the flow.
Control flow. Then now this one tank. This one is
Pipe. Outlet.
Outlet.
Oh,
Tank.
tank pressure. This is the outlet. Okay, same here. Oh. But we are not using this usual because it is mild steel, so we still use arc welding. For a student, it is just understanding how.
This one for the thickness.
Oh, thickness.
Thickness is very thin. 1.5.
Below 1.5. Oh, that's why. But our upper sample is very thick, so we have to use that one. Okay.
Not the recommend for the this one. They're not recommend for this.
For gas welding is not recommended for this one because of thickness, mild steel plate, all of these things. Okay. Then say hi to student. Yes. Thank you.